Home remedies for kidney stones. Kidney stones can be a painful and annoying medical condition, and while there are formal treatments, there are also a number of home remedies for kidney stones, including the use of apple cider vinegar, pomegranate juice, additional hydration, kidney beans, magnesium, watermelon, basil, and a low-salt diet, among many others. Kidney stones. If you have never suffered the pain of kidney stones, you should count yourself lucky, but these small, hard mineral deposits that build up in your kidney are not something to be taken lightly. These stones form when the kidney becomes overly concentrated, allowing the minerals within the urine to crystallize and bind together. This can be caused when the kidneys aren't functioning properly, or when you're dehydrated. There are also numerous types of stones, depending on the cause of the mineral buildup, e.g., calcium, struvite, uric acid, and cystine stones. Knowing which type of stone has formed can help guide your treatment strategy and suggest which lifestyle changes may need to be made. The problem is, these stones can move throughout your urinary system and affect it in numerous ways, from the original source in the kidney all the way to the bladder. While they are forming in the kidney, their symptoms rarely manifest, but when one of those stones moves into the ureter, the tube linking the bladder and the kidney, the symptoms become very apparent. The most notable effect of a kidney stone is a sharp pain in the back and side, in the space below the ribs, but that will spread to pain in the groin and lower abdomen, often coming in waves, particularly while urinating. Very often, kidney stones will cause the urge to urinate very frequently, but only a small amount of urine will be produced, and the process is often painful, with the urine being cloudy, pink, red, or brown, accompanied with a foul smell. Kidney stones can also cause nausea or vomiting in some people, particularly if there is an underlying infection causing the buildup of stones. Unfortunately, there aren't many formal treatments, and most doctors will suggest drinking large amounts of water and taking pain medication until the stone passes. That being said, there are some effective home remedies that can help break down kidney stones so they can pass more easily, or be dissolved entirely. Home remedies for kidney stones. Drink more water. One of the most basic causes of kidney stones is dehydration. Essentially, when there isn't enough water in the body, the urine becomes more concentrated with minerals and other substances that urine usually removes. As those minerals calcify and bind together, they form stones that are harder to move through the ureter. By drinking large amounts of water, it can help flush the kidneys and break up some of those stones that have already formed, or at least make passing the stones a lot less painful. Pomegranate juice. Arguably the best fruit-based solution for kidney stones is the use of pomegranate, both the seeds and the juice. The antioxidants and natural astringent properties of this fruit can help to break up kidney stones when these nutrients reach the kidney, and prevent high oxalate levels in the body. Drinking 1 glass each day should be a good preventative measure for the stone's development. Watermelon. People often forget that watermelon is more than a delicious summer snack, but also a potassium-packed health food that can help combat kidney stones, particularly those formed of magnesium and calcium phosphates. Potassium is integral to lowering acid levels in the urine, which can prevent the development of these stones. Furthermore, watermelon is almost entirely made of water, which makes it a great fruit for hydration. Kidney beans. Although their name is based on their shape, they also happen to be excellent beans for kidney stones. All legumes, in fact, have high levels of insoluble fiber, which can bind calcium in the stool, rather than letting it pass into the urinary system. With lower levels of calcium in the urine, it will be harder for kidney stones to form. Other foods rich in insoluble fiber include corn, eggplants, greens, peas, onions, and garlic. Avoid salty foods. As most of you surely know, high levels of salt in the body cause water retention, leading to bloating and edema, swelling of various parts of the body. This also means that water isn't being moved through the kidney to the bladder, thus leaving the urine highly concentrated. By cutting down on salty food, you have a much better chance of avoiding the development of these mineral stones. Magnesium. One of the commonalities between people who suffer from kidney stones is a deficiency in magnesium. In fact, research shows that taking magnesium supplements can offset more than 90% of kidney stone cases. Some of the foods highest in magnesium include spinach, nuts, fish, beans, avocados, yogurt, and dark chocolate. Apple cider vinegar. The highly astringent properties of this common natural remedy can make it much harder for kidney stones to develop. It can help to dissolve kidney stones and also has an alkalinizing effect on the blood and urine, so regular doses of apple cider vinegar is an excellent preventative measure for this condition, particularly if you are at risk. Basil, this ancient herbal remedy has long been considered a tonic for the kidneys, and specifically for mineral deposition. It helps to expel these materials from the kidney early in their formation, so they are smaller and thus less painful to pass through the ureter. Whole grains. The best source of high concentrations of insoluble fiber come from whole grain cereals in their many forms. This fiber can optimize the digestive system, but also bind with calcium and lower the amount of minerals that are pushed into the urine. This will help prevent the buildup of these minerals that form kidney stones. Nettle leaf tea. This particular type of tea is a kidney tonic in many different ways. It not only slows the growth of kidney stones and promotes their dissolution, but also helps to clear up any infections of the kidney that may be causing this unnatural growth of mineral stones. It also promotes urination, and thus flushes toxins and minerals from the body more regularly, making it more difficult for these stones to form. Final word of warning. As mentioned, it is much easier to treat kidney stones effectively when you know what type of kidney stone you are dealing with. Excessively painful kidney stone symptoms should warrant a visit to a doctor, where you can discuss some of the natural remedies you wish to use, including those detailed in this video. Eight foods that will help you look 10 years younger. Age is just a number, but feeling younger than you are can help you keep a youthful glow and an adventurous spirit. Diet plays a vital role in our health, longevity, and our skin. Here are 8 anti-aging foods that can help keep your skin looking young and beautiful. 1. Berries. Whether you prefer strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, or a handful of all three, snacking on these delicious fruits are great for your skin. Berries contain antioxidants that prevent or delay some types of cell damage. They also have the power to reduce joint swelling and pain. Blueberries in particular can improve cognitive abilities and help prevent diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. 2. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood that contains healthy fats. Eating just 1 avocado a day can reduce your cholesterol levels and support the process of skin regeneration. Avocados provide your body with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, which can help keep your skin looking young and healthy. 3. Citrus fruits. You probably know that citrus fruits are a primary source of vitamin C. They also contain folic acid. Grapefruit, oranges, and other citrus fruits can help decrease cholesterol levels in the body and uric acid in the blood. Consuming them regularly will help prevent circulatory problems and heart conditions. Drinking lemon juice first thing in the morning will allow your body to absorb all of its nutrients while detoxing your body. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients. They contain vitamin A, vitamin C and folic acid. Lycopene is the antioxidant responsible for the red color of ripe tomatoes. This antioxidant is 14 times greater than the resveratrol found in red wine. It protects the skin against UV radiation while working to prevent cardiovascular, degenerative, and infectious diseases. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is becoming increasingly popular for its amazing health benefits. It has anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a beneficial spice for seasoning your dishes. It's also believed to help slow down the aging process, provide your body with energy and boost your mood during times of stress. 6. Carrots. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, but they have plenty of other health benefits. The beta-carotene in carrots converts to vitamin A in the body. It helps the retina and other parts of the eye to function smoothly. It also protects the skin from photoaging, which is premature wrinkling of the skin caused by exposure to UV rays. 7. Garlic. While your breath after eating garlic isn't always pleasant, spicing up your food has its health benefits. Garlic contains antifungal and antibacterial properties. It balances cholesterol levels, improves blood circulation and can even reduce the risk of certain cancers. This spice is a natural anti-aging superfood. 8. Dark chocolate. Finally, a good reason to cater to your sweet tooth. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants that help your skin protect itself from UV damage and fight free radical damage, while hydrating the skin. Just make sure you are eating the good quality stuff. Few drops of this in your ears and 60% of your hearing recovers. Even old people are surprised by this simple remedy. Numerous people are suffering from auditory issues, and they dramatically impede regular activities and reduce the quality of life. However, people usually treat auditory problems with commercial drops and medicines. Yep, we will reveal the recipe of an incredibly effective natural remedy which in most successful cases recovers 60% of your hearing. The main ingredient of this natural remedy is garlic, which is a common food in almost all cuisines in the world. This is how to prepare it. You will need 4 garlic cloves, olive oil, a dropper, cotton, or gauze. Instructions: clean and mince your garlic. You can also use a garlic press. Transfer it to a jar, and pour in extra virgin olive oil. Keep the jar in a light spot for a day or 2, but keep it away from direct sun exposure. Strain the oil, and store it in a dark and cool place. Before using, pour the garlic oil in the dropper. You should put 3 to 4 drops in the affected ear, and close it with the cotton or gauze. Then, lay down to rest until you feel the improvements. You should use this remedy regularly until you solve your problem. Stay healthy and positive. Share and make your loved ones aware.